pivot turn, you're going to turn to a hybrid stance and shuffle all the way back to your surf stance. Pressing weight into the back foot is going to dip the tail into the water, and that's what's going to get that lift in the nose of your board. From here, you're really going to have to feel out that pivot point, keeping those knees bent. If I feel like I'm going too far backwards where I'm going to fall, I'm going to press a little more weight into the front foot. If I feel like my nose is dipping too low, I'm going to press a little more weight into the back foot. And I'm just taking some forward sweeps here to spin my board around. Once I've made my circle or my turn, I'm going to put that paddle in the water. Remember, an active paddle is like a brace. That's going to help me to step back up the board. Of course, once I'm back on my board, I can start taking some forward strokes again to just propel myself forward. Some other tips to think about here are really trusting yourself in the pivot turn. It's going to feel tippy. You're going to feel like you're going to fall backwards, especially the first time you try it. So really squeeze your core and have a sense of humor about it. And this is what it looks like in real time.